It's true, I replaced my car with this little bicycle. Well, not completely replaced, but I use this bicycle to go to most places that I want to go. Like my car, it has a key. You turn on and you're ready to go. If it's Target or Vaughn's or anywhere I could park this thing, it's faster and a lot more convenient. Not to mention that it runs for basically free electricity from my solar panels, and it's fun. Even a quick ride in the park brings you home recharged. Yes, I know the wheels are small. Yes, I know it's not fast, only goes about 15 miles an hour. But it can carry me, a 6'2" feet tall and 190 pounds, very easily. The ride is comfortable, and the most important thing is that it doesn't get stolen when I park it in front of the stores. I just chain it to the carts, I walk in, and I don't have to think twice that somebody's gonna steal it. Most of the people don't even notice it, that it's there. It even has the same color as the metal. Every time I need a small thing, like I forgot to buy sour cream or cilantro, or I need to pick up something for Target, I just jump on this thing, and in 2 minutes I'm there. You could ride it on bicycle trails, you could ride it on sidewalks, you could ride it on the road, you could do shortcuts on it. A lot of times I get on the destination faster on the bicycle than it would be on the car. And when I feel like I want to get out of the house and I want to get a little bit of exercise with a little bit more fun, I take it to the park. Riding this thing, it's very rewarding because it's not about performance. It's about taking you places. It's really, really small. People get very excited when they see you on it. It's really, really small and they just don't understand how can it work so good. They look at me and they see me so big with a little bicycle under me and all they can do is smile. Not one person ever complained that I am on a sidewalk or I am going to run him over. They just smiles and don't take you seriously. That makes it so much easier to ride this thing almost everywhere. And look, if you want to travel with it, well, this goes down, pedals fold, it's in the car. And if you decide to put it in the back of your car and go somewhere, maybe a national park, a place you want to have fun on two wheels, all you have to do is just take it out, flip a couple of things, and you're ready to ride. And you're not limited just to the bike paths. If you have to take a road, especially if it has a bicycle lane on it, with no problem. And it can easily go on the sidewalk, even though by law you're not supposed to. There's nobody over here, so you could ride sidewalks if you have to. But I'm gonna cut into the road. 15 miles an hour is the maximum speed. It doesn't feel fast, but it takes you there. And why it's 15 is because it wants to save battery. It's really light, it's a small battery. It goes about 12 to 15 miles, depends on how heavy you are. And 12 to 15 miles is way more than enough to go to the store and have some fun. It's a little bit uphill right now, so it's definitely slowing down, but if you pedal, it will go faster. Of course there is a risk of riding a bicycle on the road. Drivers are not the most nice people out there, but I have about 300 miles since I got it and no close calls. As you can see in this footage, this lady was really, really nice. She realized that she'd have to cut in front of me and she didn't want to, so she just let me go by. And here I'm going over the bridge. I'm gonna have to cut into my bicycle lane to the left, which I don't know why they built it that way, but it's a little bit dumb. So I'm gonna look, signal, and I'm in the bicycle lane now. And then the cars were gonna go on the right side on the highway, and I'm gonna stay on my side. So even in high traffic with good visibility lights, you have enough to clear the intersections. And over here, they left a lot of room for you. Okay, maximum speed down the hill. Let's see what's gonna happen. Yeah, that's it, that's all we got. As I said, it's limited to 15 miles an hour, and it will not go faster than this, therefore it's very safe. It's not fast by any means, but it can still cut in traffic pretty easy. So I have a stop sign over here, so I'm gonna stop, make sure nobody's gonna run me over, and pedal, make sure that you don't wheelie. And I'm merged, and I'm in the bicycle lane, so. And when I get home, it just sits over here next to my big one. And the reason that I have this little one is because the other bike, it's $4,000. And I don't want to chain that bike into the parking lot, Target or Vons or Lowe's or wherever I'm going grocery shopping. So this thing, it's conspicuous. Nobody can see it, nobody cares about it. And with a small chain, just sits over there in the parking lot and nobody really cares. Every time I left it over there, I went into the store. I've done my little grocery shopping here and there very easily with no problem whatsoever. So I literally replace my car 80% of the time. All the stores are in driving distance with this thing, and with the beautiful weather that we have here in Vegas, it's really no-brainer.